Anyway, yeah, back ready with the oil. 15W44 diesel truck, depending on your truck, I guess. I don't know. My truck takes that. I got the front filter, PH3786. So, I'm gonna open up this filter. Usually, before I put a filter on, I prime it. I put a little bit of oil in it. I don't know. That's just the way I do it. I don't know if you have to. Oh no, that is tough. I thought something's wrong here. It should easily come off. That's okay. Oh man. Oh no, that's not gonna work. That's not going to work. Sit down. Okay. So it came out clean. Don't like this at all. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna prime the filter here. I have to put the phone away. I put quite a bit of oil in here. I don't want to fill it up all the way to the top because then it's just going to be a pain to put it in there. It's quite a bit. I don't know if you can see. In there. Anyway. So I've been coming out. Oh, there's a little bit coming out. There's a little bit coming out. You can see there's quite a bit of oil inside. Okay. That's kind of thing. Time to put this back on. I kind of took a lot of time. I went inside for a while. Left this here for about maybe the last 20 minutes. I was in here. The last 20 minutes I was in here. So there's not even a drip coming out of the oil pan. All the oil came out for sure. Just a little bit there. Just a little bit still coming on. Coming down. So yeah. Put this on there so you can see where this filter is going. I usually can do it. Usually I can just use one hand. Let's see how strong. First I feel strong. There you go. That's where it goes. And you put it on. Clockwise, so you gotta go. That's where it's on now. Just make sure it's a nice, smooth, you know. Make sure it's just nice and smooth. Nice and smooth to put it on. I gotta take my gloves off. I gotta take my gloves and make it tight. Slipping a little bit. Now the filter's on there. Nice and orange, bright color. Don't kill it too much. I think there's like a A little bit of a gap up there, but I think that's normal. Of course, there's a big rubber seal there. Well, now I'll do the. What is that? Okay, there we go. You put the nut from the bottom of the pan, clean it off. Make sure you always clean your mess once you're done here. I'll put the light there so you can see. It'd be nice to see. Let's get a magnet on this. Finger tight. What is my wrench? Be careful with this. I have a long extension. Not really good for doing an oil pan. It's very easy to ruin it. With my kind of power, I ruin everything. Really. Yeah, I don't know. I don't do to talk right where I want to talk these things. I just go by feel. I think it's good. Just clean that area just to see if there's any oil sipping out of it. Just for some reason. I didn't even make it that tight. I just want to inspect that surface there. I'm not quite sure why I feel like something is not right. Maybe all this oil leak. It wasn't even. It's this low, so it's good now. Just wondering what's its feeling. Offset. Okay, see. Just that tight is good, man. That tight is good. Now I'm gonna retighten a little bit of this oil pan. This filter here. I'm just doing my hand now. That's a lot of it slippery. I think we got it okay. She's not budging at all. Now it's time to put the oil back in the trap.